Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to create a class in Modern JavaScript. Actually, this is a really easy topic. If you already learned object-oriented programming in any other programming language, it will become very easy and fast for you. Okay, let's start. First, declare our class. In this example, I will use class person. This is the minimum requirement for creating a class. Now let's create an object from this class. We can just use var person equals new person, just like that, and we already have object from the person class. Right now our class is useless. We can add variable, constructor, and function, so it will become more usable in our example. Okay, let's give it a variable name. And I will give it a default value, my name. So, Daryl Aditya Henry. Let's print out this name using console.log person.name. Let's run it. Node index.js. See, it's working. Sometimes you also want private variable. You can declare it using hash symbol. Let's say I want to create this name to become a private variable, but the problem is when I create this as a private, you can't see the print out anymore. See, it's undefined. Let's create a method now for showing our name. I will create showName function. Console.log this.hashName. Because it's already private, you must use the hash symbol. Now we can just use person.showName to print out our name. Okay, it's already working. Next, our name is static and I want it to be more flexible, so I will create a constructor just like that, and we can put our parameter here. I will use parameter name and set this.hashName equals name. Let's try it. If I use Akira as our parameter and show name, try this node index.js, and it already changed. Easy, right? By the way, just like variable, you can also change function into a private using hash symbol like this. Basically, our class is done, but I want to show you some problem in the function. For example, this showName function. Let's see, I want to give a delay about 1 second before print out our name. Using set timeout, and we will call person.showName. So we create this as callback function, and we will give delay of 1 second. Let's see what happens. We expect that console will show Akira, right? But it gives us an error. And why is that? Short answer, this function already unbind from this class or object. And how to fix it? You can just use arrow function, just like this, and it becomes an arrow function that already binded to the object. Let's try. Nice, it's working again. If you want to know why is this happen and how it works, I already created one video for explaining this, so you can just watch it. I will give the link in the video description below. That's it. This is class in Modern JavaScript. In the next video, I will share to you how to create this class into a singleton object. Sometimes we need to use singleton object for our authentication object that maybe store Firebase token maybe. Anyway, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.